Geoscience is important in addressing some of the most important challenges of today's society, like climate change, natural disaster, water shortage, and critical raw materials. By understanding the Earth process, we can address and we can solve some of the challenges that are affecting today's society. First, become aware of EFG in 2009 in China at an international congress. My first impression was very positive due to the willing of EFG to work for international recognition of profession. And my reaction was that a few months after, I applied for a EuroGeo title, and I was the first Italian to do. I applied for the position of President of EFG because I really believe in the mission of EFG. And another point was the strong support that I got from my national association, National Council of Geologists, and also other representatives from other associations across Europe. EFG represents a platform for sharing of experience among professionals, and I think through this platform, European geologists could be better prepared to face the challenges of the society. It is important to collaborate in a European international network to be able to exchange experiences among different professionals working in different countries. The experience of one country could be useful to face the challenges of another country. We have several challenges, topics like energy transition, critical minerals, climate change should be at the center of the discussion of the next years. We have the aim in the next 5 years to influence decision makers in their policies, and we want to promote knowledge transfer among professionals in different regions of Europe. By the end of 2027, I would like to see EFG recognized as an influential player in Europe and engaged in discussion with the different stakeholders at any level, from industry to public authorities. The energy and climate crisis strongly affect the work of EFG. Since this energy transition requires geologists in different areas of work. First of all, to do this transition, we need to access critical minerals, and to access these critical minerals in this phase now today is essential. The work of geologists in identifying the potential resources. The most important challenge today is for professionals is knowledge transfer. Students come out from university, they are not prepared to face the challenges of today's society, so we have to build the knowledge. And as a professional community, we need to engage with younger generation, and our generation itself has to be engaged in build the knowledge to address these challenges. Since a child, I like digging. I like digging things, and that was what at the very beginning drive my choices. And then, as far as I was going to studies and into university, I was fascinated by the diversity of the subject and how influential geosciences and geology is in shaping our world. I work in mining sector for one of the biggest industrial mineral companies in Italy. I'm in my current job, I'm in charge of mining geology. I'm dealing with everything related to our extractive activities, from operation, permitting, mine planning, geological exploration. It's difficult to describe an average day because every day is different, is really different from each other. Let's start with what is fixed, that is usually get up around 6:30 or 6. And when I'm at home, I usually bring my daughter to school, and normally the rest of the day, if I'm office, I would be busy with meetings or reviewing some project. While when I'm traveling, maybe I'm visiting a quarry, mining site, or doing due diligence. I think I would sound quite boring in this because most of my leisure time is spent in geological activities, including doing activities of EFG. But let's say when I really have free time, I like to do simple activities to relax, like read a book or watch a movie or walk around my neighborhood area when, in the beautiful sunny days.